Hi, hello. In the previous video, we have seen Python basic data types. We have seen various data type values. In this session, we talk about variables and variable assignment. What is variable? Let's think of a variable as a name attached to a particular value or an object. In Python, variables need not be declared in advance, but it is not the case in many other programming languages. You must declare a variable along with its type. So use equals operator to assign value to a variable. Like for example, age equal to 50. Now let's print age, it returns 50. Here it is like a variable age is assigned to a value called 50. Now let's say name equal to Python. It's a different value, right? Weight equal to 1.5. It's a float. If you notice, we are not defining any type while declaration. The variable type will be concluded based on the value you are assigning. For example, type age is an int, type name is a string, type weight is a float. So now we can reassign another value to the variable which is already declared. It's like age equal to 25. Print age. So it's assigned a new value to the old variable name. You also can assign multiple values to multiple variables in a single declaration. It is like a comma b equal to 10 comma 20. Print a, it returns 10. Print b, it returns 20. Just try print a comma b, which returns 10 and 20 together. You can also assign same value to multiple variables in a single declaration. In general, it is called chained assignment. For example, a equal to b equal to c equal to 25. Now let's print a 25, print b again 25, print c, it's a 25. In general, in any programming languages, variables are strictly type based. Once you declare your variable along with its type, it cannot be changed for its lifetime. But it is not true in Python. The type will be declared after assigning the value. We can also reassign different type of values to the variable after declaration too. For example, here, what is a? 25. What is its type? It's int. Now what I'm going to do, a equal to hi string, right? What is a now? Hi, right? Let's print its type. It's a string, right? It is possible to change the type even after declaration, which is not possible in any other programming languages. Most of the programming languages, it is not possible. Now, let's understand what is object reference. So, does the variable storing the value in it directly? If your answer is yes, then it's wrong. Python is an object-oriented language. Everything is an object and of a specific type. When you create any object, memory will be assigned and the value will be stored in the given memory location. The variable only stores the address of the memory location assigned to the object, which is a reference of the memory location stored in the variable. The variable has an address. It's not the value it stores with it. Let's see an example here. A equal to 10. Now let's say B equal to A. Now when I say B, it has 10, right? So whatever reference that A holds has been copied to B. That's what happened here. So this is about variables. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.